My 2 years old baby Ada, my Queen's Gambit. Ada, did you forget all the pieces?
No.
Okay, very good. If you did not forget all the pieces, where is the Queen?
Dawa.
Very good. That is the Queen. A Queen. Where is the horse? Find the horse. White horse. Where is the white horse? 2 years old. Very good. Also the bishop. White bishop. Where is the white bishop? Very good also. The white poon. Where is the white poon?
Dawa.
Very good. That is a white poon. Okay. Okay. Where is the black queen? Where's the black queen?
Dawa.
Where? Black queen.
Dawa.
That is a white. Where is the black queen? Don't forget the color. Where is the black queen?
Dawa.
Very good. You're so natural. You're so brilliant.
King.
What is that?
King.
That where's the king?
Dawa.
No, that is not the king. That is a rook.
No.
Yes, you forget. I think you forgot that that is a rook. Okay. Sige. Where is the black horse? Black horse. Get the black horse. Very good. So natural. Very good. Clap your hands. Very good. Oh, sige, isa pa ha. Okay. Where is the black bishop? If you find the black bishop, I'll buy you ice cream. Black bishop, I'll buy you ice cream or buy you some toys. Oh, sige, where is the black bishop? Black bishop, black bishop. Find the black bishop.
Dawa.
Very good. Where? Very good. Clap your hands.
Butan papa.
Yes.
Butan papa.
Yes.
Butan papa.
Oh, yeah, yes. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Very good si Ada. Clap your hands.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.